Hey guys, it is Kyra, and today I'm with my sister.
Avery.
Huh?
Don't say
I'm
that.
sorry. I just have the habit. Okay.
She does.
And today, me and Avery are going to...
Yes, but today we're going to be giving you guys a tour of our house.
Okay, so
Let's start in here.
Okay.
So this is our playroom. That's our Xbox. That's our treadmill. This is also our workout area.
This is our brother's room.
We're not allowed to go in there, but we're gonna show them. It's messy.
Yeah.
Oh, should we show them his closet though?
Yeah, his closet.
His closet is huge.
Yeah.
That's his closet. He has a
really
huge
hide
closet.
in it.
Yeah. It's not scary. All right, let's go to the living room down here.
Okay, so here's our living room.
It's kind of big, but like kind of small, so it's medium.
Okay.
So that's our couch.
Yeah. So
It's
this is our dad's room.
This is a pretty big couch, and it has a footrest, and we have a piano,
Hey,
and we
look
have
at
a 60-inch TV in our dog's bed.
Couch.
And then this is our dad's work area.
Yep.
2 computers, a footstool, a stool,
And then
and our closet. Wait,
this is our storage room.
Yeah.
We have a big storage room
It's
for
huge.
our safe house.
Okay, no, here, show them. That's like our pantry, because we don't really have a pantry. Open it.
Open it.
That's like all of our memory stuff. And this is like where we just keep all of our like water and stuff, and like our wakeboards and like our skis and bouncy balls and chairs and stuff like that.
Yeah. I had a dream last night about Easter.
It was Easter yesterday. And then back there, it is, we would hide if we have a tornado. Kyra,
What?
don't. We're going upstairs, you know. All right, so then these are our stairs.
Avery,
What?
Come on up for dinner.
We're doing a tour, and then that's like our garage area. Oh no, it's a fart, isn't it? This is our kitchen. That's my mom. Mama, say hi.
Hello.
And that's my daddy. That's our table.
Go wash your hands.
Okay, this is our living room. We're watching news apparently. 2 couches. This is our school area, and there's a chair there for some reason. And then there's another chair right there. Alright, and that's like our toy bin thingy. Then we have a bathroom. We have another bathroom downstairs, but we didn't show you guys that.
It's disgusting.
It's really gross. It's our brother's. Then that's my room.
Yeah.
Don't ask.
And just don't look at my room.
No, we're gonna go look at your room. You cleaned it today.
I know. I do that stuff because I'm a weirdo.
Your bed.
I'm weird.
Closets. Kyra, open your closet. We're not going There's Kyra's bra.
You're literally wearing a bra.
Yeah. This is our parents' room. We can do a flip on it. Kyra, should we show them our flip? Kyra, do your flip. Hurry up, or else you have to film me doing my flip.
Do you want me to choke?
Here, film me doing my flip then. Don't move it. Okay. Why I don't get why boys like me. Hurry up. Okay. Alright. Then let's show them the bathroom.
No, Avery, they have to do. Avery, they have to.
This is our parents' bathroom. That's you guys. Say hi. Oh, and that's me.
Yeah.
Look how beautiful I look today. Okay, so that's our parents' bathroom. Stop it. Okay, yeah. And this is our shower. I'm not gonna show you the entire details. Toilet. Toilet, I don't know.
Wait, guys, look at the toilet. Ew.
Then their closet. Turn
Which
the
is
light
biggest, I
on.
bet.
No, Ty's is the biggest. Clothes. Clothes. So many clothes. Ooh, Mom's cardiac surgery. Whoa, that's a good angle. Here, cuckoo. Wait, that's another. Here, stop. That's a coat.
That's a coat.
I thought there was a cardiac surgery.
You gotta wash your hands. Mom told you to wash your hands.
All right, Kyra, do that. Here, you have to show them their porch and then we'll be done.
Yeah.
It snowed out yesterday, so like.
Literally,
there's
my feet
snow
are.
here. Just stand where there's not snow. That's their porch. 2 chairs,
Look at my
another chair,
feet.
another chair, a couch, a footstool. Okay, come on
Yeah.
here. All right, here, get in here and do the outro.
Thank you guys for so watching. And I want you to subscribe. Look at the TV.
Okay, Kyra, do the outro.
And then press the subscribe button.
Like,
And-
subscribe, and share, and hit the bell. See you guys
And
next
we'll
time.
see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.